Hey, look at this shit I found. I mean, I didn't find this, but found a bunch of shit in here. This is the dumpster. This is some remnants of it. Look what I already put it up, but look at this shit. This is from the Family Dollar dumpster right there. Crackers, like tomato plants. Check this shit out. Cherry tomatoes, crackers, and that's just. Now we're going to this one. Let's see what we find in this one. I'm not gonna have it on the dumpster. That's fucking music. All right, let's see what we got up here. So far, we're making that well. I'm sorry about stupid music. Let's see what we got in here, y'all. Okay, I found a bunch of shit in there. Found vegetables and all that. Stand by. Hey y'all, this is the rest of the shit I found in the second dumpster. Okay. Some squash. Crackers on the other one. Got this. This is for other people. I'm gonna give them away. I don't like vegetables. Grilling broccoli and cauliflower, carrots. You know, I think I got a bag of peas in here, but I don't see them. But anyway, I got a whole bunch of stuff here.